Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe if you are not done. Forward the video to all your well wishers who is going to start building the house. This is my house, 30 cross 40 east facing plat area. Building my dream house with applying all my experience. This is car parking, 60 feet length from the road. My requirement is very simple. One hatchback car parking and two bikes to be parked. I think with 16 feet I can easily achieve it. Next into the car hall area, 16 feet length, 14 feet width. Want to bring the sunlight for more from this side and dream of having a small garden within the hall area. This is 10.5 feet length French window where you can open entire French window and you can bring all the ventilation into the home. Sit out also there, 6 feet length, ideal place to spend more time evening and morning also with gardening. Find the floor plan video in description. Next into the kitchen area, so where 13.5 feet width, 9 feet length. I just want to make sure that we need to give good space, good ventilation for the kitchen area where most of the time our women will spend in this area only. So 9 feet width will give more space, and by keeping two bigger windows will bring more ventilation into the kitchen. And next into the staircase area, I have already spoke about the staircase design in separate video, you can find it in description. So always staircase 6-inch riser and 11-inch tread and 2 landing area. This is my simple requirement. I cannot compromise in this because in long run old people and kids will suffer a lot if we do not follow the 6 cross 11 cross 2 rule. And next into the common bathroom, it's a medium room with Indian toilet. Next into the small bedroom in ground floor, 11 cross 11, where ideal place to have all old people can spend more time here. So also we just about to start the wardrobe work, and this is a wardrobe planning here, so I can share in other videos of how we are designing the wardrobe with all possibility ways. Next we'll move into the first floor area. So look at this, I'm climbing the steps, so I do not feel pain or anything. It's easy to climb with no leg pain, all because of the 6 cross 11 cross 2 design formula. And so I want to have a small space for keeping the bookshelf, so I'm planning to have a zigzag model here. I just mentioned in separate video, please find in descriptions what are the ways we can do the bookshelf model. And this is the small hall again, and designed mainly for study area. Here is the place where the study table can be placed and which will bring more air from the east side. And we are having another common bathroom over here. Next we'll get into the master bedroom. It's a very good spaces one with 15 cross 13.5 size. So we have 11 feet cupboard areas. We planning to have 2 partitions with dressing table and all other dressing table, as well as the unit of chair, everything. And there is an attached bathroom with the size of 5 cross 8. It gives a good space. So where this is the only bathroom we are planning. Western toilet is most of the times we will not use Western toilet, so Indian toilet is a preferred one for all Indians. So that's my choice. And so there is a closed terrace where you can see with the parabola model. So it will make sure that there will be consistency between the study area and the play area. So where we are planning to keep a swing over here, so swing and the study area can be combined both, so it will give a relaxation to the kids more. And we'll go to the terrace area. So I will not talk more about steps, so please follow 6 class 11 class 2 rule if you have really love your family peoples. And next, moving to the headroom, we created a small storeroom over here where all unused and rarely used items you can dump it over here. And you can also place a small bureau kind of, or a small cupboard kind of stuff, and we can place things accordingly. It will be very useful place where you can make it more useful. And open terrace, we have a requirement of keeping the open terrace wall with 3.5 feet wall, softer tiles laying. It should be at least a minimum of 3.25. so I would recommend, please have your requirement, make it minimum of 3.25 feet.